Hey everyone, it's Bob again. Well, it's after Christmas. It's Tuesday and there's nothing going on. My truck's due for a service, so we're going to run it over there and get it serviced. Since I ain't got nothing else to do, so it's a good chance to get caught up on a few things. We got the truck back from getting a service. He had me grab an empty trailer, but I still don't have anything to do. So I guess since I got some time at home, we'll get a few things done. Mainly just cleaning up and seeing what else we can find to do till he comes up with something to do. This might be a boring week. We'll have to see what we can come up with. Since we're really looking for anything to do, we're going to go out and visit the girls and see if they've done their jobs and get us some eggs. They have a tendency to like to try to get out when somebody leaves the door open, so we got two of them in there laying eggs. So, but we only got one in this one. Let's see if we can broke. We ended up getting 2, 4, 6, 8, and one broken one in there. Since there's 4 colored ones and we only have 3 that lay colored eggs, I'm imagining some of these are holdover from yesterday. I've been kind of make sense of this mess here. Trying to clean up the garage a little bit. We got the toolbox mostly cleared off. So, you know, when I got 4 boys hanging around, even though they have their own tools, they seem to want to always use mine, but we're catching up on it. We also have this other ongoing project. This thing has been a problem for about the last 6 months. Been dealing with a lot of things, and finally it ended up that the engine was the problem, so we pulled that out. And there it is. We finally got it out. The rings are shot on it. It's going through about a quart of oil every gas tank, so we pulled it out. And I was letting my son, who's a senior in high school, do it, so he decided we were going to drop the subframe out. So that's how we got it out. So, but we're having a bit of trouble finding a replacement engine for a reasonable price, so instead of putting it into an engine into an old car that's probably going to have other issues, we may be looking for a whole different used car for the boys to drive for the next 3 or 4 years, and then they're all out of the house or on their own. We'll be able to go that way. Hey again, we are getting ready to head out. He found something for me to do. It's Thursday. There's another load of dry ice ready. It's ready now, and I'm still sitting at home. So we're going to run up and grab an empty trailer and head out to Cheyenne again. We ought to be able to get out there later this afternoon and get all switched out and headed back. Hopefully it'll be a quick trip, so we'll get going. packed up and on our way. 6 hours to Cheyenne. Should get there about 7 p.m. Skies are blue. A few clouds, but nothing threatening. Hopefully it'll all be ready. We'll be able to switch right out and head right back home. Alright, we switched trailers. The guy stayed until I got there. I showed up at 6:15. I've got 4 hours and 14 minutes of drive time left. So we'll see how far we can get. Got here to Little America. I had about 20 minutes left, but there's no place to. There's a couple of pull-offs, but I was going to stop there for the night. I got 2 hours more to go to get back to Salt Lake, and then I'll just drop this trailer. So we're done for the day. whole bunch of totes of dry ice. Okay, well, we just got home, got all swapped out and ready to go on the next run. So we're finishing out the year, so that'll wrap this one up. Kind of a really slow week, but we did get something in, so that's better than nothing. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.